Well, it's that time of year again, if you know what I mean. I dodged a bullet this time. My wife will be scarifying the lawn and showing you other tips and tricks. First, I need to make sure everything is safe and ready to go. I would hate to make a trip to the emergency room. These blades need to be good and tight and able to move freely. Looks like we are good to go.
Today's project, we are tackling moss. If you look around here, you can see there's moss everywhere. That means we need to get rid of that. And the way to do it is this handy dandy scarifier. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go through the yard and get as much moss up as possible as I can. Then I'm going to use another product. We are going to use this moss out. First, I'm going to scarify the lawn, then I will water it, and then I'm going to put down this moss out using a sprinkler. And this area here, as you can see, we have a lot of trees. So there's not much that will grow. So we have vinca minor, which is right here, and it's a vine, and it will grow in poor soil. And as you can see, if you look by the trees, it's filling in very nicely. So my goal is to come around this whole area, all the way up into the tree, and plant this vinca minor so it will fill in. So here's what we're working on right now. We're trying to fill in some drainage areas. We put down some bricks. As you can see, we're at the very start. We're coming down the garden where there's a whole lot of erosion going on. And we're still going down. We're going to fill in these areas with soil, topsoil, and plants. We're going to carry it all the way down to where you see the dirt, the red dirt. And we're going to fill in as we go.